Hello Barry, I will show you now how to add blog posts and change the images and so on, so on, so on. So first of all, it's a regular WordPress website, so you need to go to WP admin, type in the address bar there in order to access the admin panel. So it loads up, you log in your username and password. So you can use your email address because I've seen the accounts are there. I'll let you know in the email. Okay, click login. And now you can go to posts, and in the post section you're going to see all the posts that are on the system already. So if you want to add a new one, you can click add new, or the easiest way would be to hit duplicate this. I'm just going to show you an example. Okay, I'm going to click on the post. So you see there's a post title, there's a link, you don't need that, and the regular text as usual. Then on the side you have categories. So we haven't categorized anything yet, but you should start categorizing your blog posts. Add a few tags. Tags are like keywords for the posts. So it's going to be better for Google to pick those up. And the featured image is going to be an image which is going to be in front of your post. So if I'll open this again, I'm going to, let's say, case studies or latest news. Let's do latest news first. There you go, Employee of the Year. So this picture is in the featured image selection box. And that's how it looks when you open it. The picture always goes at the top, so do not add the very large images. And if you look at the text, there's a text. Just type it in there. You can add a few more images if you wish. I think you guys are familiar with adding and writing the post, so a couple of bits. SEO, Yoast SEO bit is for making sure that the post is Google friendly. You don't need to edit anything in RAM time options, so I'm just going to hide it. You don't need that, just hide those. So basically that's how it will appear on Google. So you're going to have a title, company's name, address, and you can add a meta description. Meta description basically is like a clickbait for people to read the introduction to the post, and so they would click on it on Google. So in this situation, let's read this. We are delighted to announce the Employee of the Year. Okay, so something like the announcement of the Employee of the Year. And award information. Blah blah blah. Just type in there and then hit publish. And as you can see on Google, it will appear like this. Obviously, I'm not gonna do that for you because I'm not entirely sure how you want to make it look like. So that's how you deal with posts. You can save a draft, you can duplicate, you can move to trash, you can schedule posting just down there. It will automatically post the post. It's easy as that. I'm not going to go into very small details as I believe you guys worked with the WordPress before. Right, okay, so I'm going to delete this now, move to trash. Then we go to, let's say, portfolio. Theory, portfolio. So portfolio are case studies. Okay, we have case studies. There you go. So we see DHL midpoint Birmingham. Just play with it. You know the basic bits you need to know. Just play with it. Now, okay. So portfolio items are actually added with a visual designer. So on this WordPress, you have two options to upload content, either by doing it by text, like we've seen in the post section. So you just open it and write the text here and blah, blah, blah. That's all you need to do. Or a visual builder. So I'll show you how it looks. I'm going to duplicate this because I don't want to mess it up. There we go. Click edit. Right. So here exactly the same thing. Please provide the meta description. So you can click there, write how do you want it to look on Google. Don't forget to use the main keywords and click posts. You don't need thumbnail options. Never fill that. You don't need excerpt for that. Just to see, you can, when you copy, you can use this as a template. Right, we don't need that, we don't need that, we don't need that. So featured image is an image which is, again, in front. Let's click on it. Okay. That should be like this. Okay, I'll have to report this as a bug. Let's look at this. So featured image, warehouse logistics retail. Let's launch a builder. My suggestion is if you would like to add the new portfolio item, then just duplicate the existing items. Easy as that. Okay, so you're gonna see something like this. Then all you need to do is click on the selected bit which you would like to change. It will allow you to change it. So heading settings, see, duplicate, edit column, or remove. Or just click on it anywhere, and it will allow you to edit, in this situation, a heading. See? So the heading is results. And we see it results. Okay, you can click there, and we can change the text. So my suggestion is, if you would like to add a new case study to it, like I did, duplicate the existing one, then open these, click on them, write the description, blah blah blah, as for example, save. See? Then we want to change the title, which we're gonna do in the other window. So it says done, publish. Okay, and we need to go back to the post editing. We're gonna click that, edit project, in order to change the title, and we will call it demo title. Yeah. Please keep in mind you need to change the link always to match the headline. Demo title. There we go. Finally. let's just select another image. So let's select this one. Okay, and we click update. I know about this, I'll report this. It shouldn't be double. So I'll open case studies again. Okay, case studies. And you see there's a new case study appeared. So it's called demo title, blah blah blah. Click on it, it's gonna have exactly the same content. Demo title, image. But this one is single, and this one is double. I have to look at this. Okay, this is how you add projects. What else? Let's have a look. What else can we do? So we have pages. So these are pages, pages. I'll show you how to do pages, pages. Okay, let's have a look where we have any of the testimonials at all. Pages. So portfolio. I need to remove the one not posted. Trash. There we go. Okay, testimonials. See, that's how you add testimonials. Alright, you need to know this. Okay, so if you wish to add a new testimonial, do exactly the same thing. These pages are templates, they're already pre-built and you don't need to come up with the new templates. So it's quite easy. You duplicate the existing one and you start working on the existing one. Okay, so I'll show you the structure because posts, testimonials, and portfolio items, they have different structure. Okay, so let's call it Insights for Business. Okay, the link needs to match the headline. Okay, now we don't use text field in this, as you can see. Scroll down again, do this bit, which is SEO. Okay, so testimonials, Ricky Nelson regional contracts. That's going to be the name. You don't need the link. You need the rating, so how many stars. And in summary, it's going to be the testimonial itself. So in this situation, let's go to the left and let's say Seed Solutions were great at what they do. Right? It's going to be John SEO. And we'll do 5 stars. That's how you add a new testimonial. Then I would need to click publish and it will appear in the testimonial section anywhere the testimonials are on the website. Simple as that. Okay, follow the templates, keep that in mind. So let's try to add one of the pages. So let's say about Proceed Solutions. We want to edit this page and let's say change this image. So we go to pages. I haven't published it, that's why I have a message. About Us, see, in the list of pages I found About Us. I click edit. I do not need to duplicate this because it will appear as a second item on the menu. So for the pages, You don't need to duplicate them, but you need to be very careful with everything what you do. Okay, so these are the various settings. Don't change them. If you start changing them, the design will change, and yeah, then we'll have to work on it. We'll have to raise a support ticket for us to get it sorted. But as you can see, VAMTime Builder, I click Launch VAMTime Builder, and now I see the website from the front. And if I want to change, let's say, the image, I click on the image, and I select, so the image needs to come up from Media Library. Okay, so I click Edit, and I select, let's say, this image. Select photo. There you go. Alright, so the picture is now changed. And exactly the same thing. If I want to change this headline, I click on it, find the headline in these settings, change it, click Save. And once you finish, click Done. Obviously, I'm not going to do it now because I don't want it to change my website, but that's the way you do it. Let me just double check if I missed anything with this. So let's quickly duplicate this. If you want to play around, just play around on the copy, on the duplicate it copy. So let's have a look, edit, builder. So let's say I'm done with this, I click done, and then I have an ability to save it as a draft, publish, or cancel. Simple as that. Right, as you can see, the website is all, it's very similar to all WordPress websites, except what we use is this VAMTime Builder, which allows us to position the content the way we want, so have images on the right and headlines on the left, and so on and so on. And you have an ability to work on a website from the actual view. I mean, changing content like this. So it's a handy tool. Now, a few notes. I wouldn't bother about updating the website, so you can see it says, let's go back. So you can see it says WordPress 5.01 is available. Please notify the site administrator. The problem is once you start updating the core, then the connection between the core and plugins will probably gonna mess up at some point, and the website will break. So don't do it that often. I mean, you can update the website once a year, but you'll see you'll have to have web designers working together with you in order to update the website. Simple as that. Keep it safe, don't share your password to anyone, and that should be enough. Thank you very much. Any questions, give me a shout.